Hello everybody, how are you guys doing today? Okay, so we're gonna build a simple vanilla JavaScript carousel. Hello there friends! Today we're gonna learn a bit about Canvas. And that's why I made this channel. I wanna kind of explore a wider range of things to help you become more creative. So hey, maybe you wanna learn programming, you watch my programming tutorials, and I did this and it kind of made a funny noise. No! Hey there my gorgeous friends on the internet. Hey there my gorgeous friends on the internet. Today we are celebrating 100k subs. Well, hopefully, I'm not sure because I'm filming this one day beforehand. Should we keep the hat on for this one? No? Okay. Good morning my gorgeous friends on the internet. In this episode we're gonna build a GUI app in Python, that's gonna improve our workflow, which is my favorite word of 2019, workflow. Everybody talks about workflow. I did this cool little shortcut that improved my workflow by 0.25%. Wow, amazing. I swear to God, every time I code something, I spend 20 minutes just staring at the screen, having no idea what's going on. And then people tell me these shortcuts to improve my workflow and to do everything faster. Okay, I have time to go over to my mouse and grab some H3 paragraph and copy paste it. I don't need the fancy shortcut. Bitch. Hey there my gorgeous friends on the internet and welcome back to the Dev Show. My dog is not working. Anyway, thankfully I am feeling a bit better today. If you've been up to date, I got my injections in my cervical spine. I'm still struggling. I have days where I cannot do anything. I just need to lie in bed. But today is a good day and we're almost celebrating 500,000 subscribers. So I really wanted to make an episode and look back to the past, to young Dev Ed, where he was a trash developer. So we're gonna take a look at some Reddit posts, some early videos that I posted, and some early code that I made to make fun of myself. Also, if you don't know, I released a React course a week ago and I run a special promotion on it and it's gonna end this Sunday. So if you're interested in learning React with some awesome projects, make sure to check the link down below and get it before you can, because after that the price is gonna go up. Okay, let's get going. So we kind of go back straight to the beginning in like 2016 or whatever, because back then I did not know about GitHub. So all the code that I wrote was pretty much on my hard drive. And ever since then I switched my computers. I don't have the hard drive anymore. It was extremely bad code and just super basic websites. However, what we can do is go back to early Reddit posts of me discussing web development. And I just want to show you a quick sneak peek of how clueless and panicked I was. So let's take a look. Oh, I love this one. This one's titled, I Feel Completely Lost. I recently gave up streaming League of Legends, which... Wait, what? Wait a minute. This is not about development. I gave up streaming League of Legends, which I've been streaming for a couple of months, mainly because it was too stressful. Oh, poor boy. And right now I find myself kind of lost and panicked because I do not know what to stream anymore. Any suggestions? Guys, I don't know what to stream. Tell me, write it down in the comments. Fall Guys? League of Legends? Should I start a Twitch stream? Hopefully when I get better, who knows. This is what I was struggling with 3 years ago. Wow, amazing. I really need help with finding a simple framework and I just cannot decide. I've been playing around with Bulma, this was really new back then, and it seems pretty fun, but I'm not sure if I should jump into it. Any recommendations? Have a wonderful day, boys. Wow. Only if I knew, just focus on CSS. Stop worrying about frameworks, damn it. So again, more hopelessness. Don't know which route to take. Hello there, hope you're having a wonderful day so far. I'm in a situation when I'm pretty comfortable with all the front-end stuff, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I want to continue learning back-end stuff, but I have no idea where to start. I guess my goal would be to learn to make blog-type websites that you can edit and pretty simple CMS stuff. So where should I start? Should I jump into PHP? I heard people say you can also just jump straight into Laravel. Well, that's not a good idea. Other people just say Node.js since you know JavaScript already, and that's kind of true. I'm really lost. Any help would help a ton. I still don't know the answer to that question. Please help. Send help now. How can I improve my vlogs? Yes, I did a few vlog videos, believe it or not. So, hello everyone, I started a vlog channel. And funny thing is, I actually had a gaming channel back in the day, like 2012-13. And some of the videos got really popular, like 1 million+ views. I'm gonna put a video up here. It's League of Legends related, it's boring.
Hello, today we're gonna do a special interview with our fellow semi-professional League of Legends player. This is How to Darius. Friday night, let's get some points, man.
NANI? So anyways, if you get that, you get it. If you don't, it's fine. So let's take a look at some vlogging videos I did back in the day. And now we have to crack a cold one with the boys. Nice. Oh, it just feels so good. And now make sure you mix them really well. Alright, so get your dirtiest stove that you have. Just add a small piece of oil. Can be olive oil, any kind of oil. Oh my god, it got stuck. Now you can even add an avocado, but it's optional. Let's do a magic trick, shall we? So we have this deck of cards, and we're gonna take one out on random. Let's go with this one. Memorize this, keep it in your head, never forget, never forget. Looks like you have the orange t-shirt on. Now all you have to do is turn around, actually show the t-shirt first, turn around, go in between the two magnets here, and just pull it out, and let this t-shirt fall down. So when you turn back around, boom, you just change your t-shirt. I quit college. I don't know, I just think it wasn't for me. And some of you might be in the same position, like you probably just don't know what you're doing with your life. You go to college and you feel like, oh, it's just another way to drag 3 or 4 years of your life and you still don't know what you're doing. So yesterday when I went to sleep, something really weird happened to me. I was staying on my phone, the lights were closed, and I heard a loud, ow, a loud, and it wasn't on the door, it was on this old TV. So I kind of ignored it at first, and I started listening and watching YouTube videos, and something else happened. I heard this. So I don't really believe in ghosts or any other paranormal stuff, but I still got really panicked and got out of the bed and verified every part of the house because I'm a big chicken. I came with a solution to make it a bit more positive, a bit more happy. So this is my solution. I cut out some paper and we're gonna make a happy ghost. So even if it makes sounds, I'm gonna sleep well at night because we have a nice big smiley face on our TV. Easiest way to implement, so this is where the YouTube channel started. Take a look, easiest way to implement smooth scroll without JavaScript. This is the effect I want to achieve. Okay, so click here and it scrolls nicely there. But I don't know how to make it with vanilla JavaScript. And people kept saying this answer, which is true now. It didn't work back then with all the browsers. And people were like, it doesn't work on Safari and IE, Internet Explorer. Shut the fuck. Okay, just sit down. It doesn't matter anymore, it works, so I would use that method. But this triggered me because I couldn't find an answer here. Don't leave the scrolling to the browser. What a loser. What a loser. They're not talking about scroll jacking. This guy knows what's up.
Hello everybody, my name is Ed, and today we're gonna create a cool effect in JavaScript.
Oh god. Oh my goodness, this was filmed with an old laptop with a webcam, and I just had the microphone literally inside a toilet paper that was holding it. And this was my whole setup in the background. Oh my goodness. No wonder my neck hurts. Look at my position. I'm like this. Yeah, I'm a little goblin. And I kept picking my nose and stuff. It's terrible. Loser. Anyway, we have more and more questions and questions and questions. Here is where I first started to post my video, right here. And it got really popular, actually. It got 365 upvotes on web design, which was fantastic. It gave a good boost to my channel. This was the second video I posted, and this also gained a bunch of views. And then this one as well, and this one, well, not really this one, but this one did really well as well. The carousel tutorial I did, which also got 300 upvotes. So most of the first videos I posted got a huge bump from web design and web dev. And even learn JavaScript. So I want to thank everybody there. But I do want to mention I did get banned on web design and web dev. So screw you guys. Because I kept spamming my videos. But hey, it worked out and some people really liked it. So this got 230,000 views. This was an old apartment I used to stay in. And I look scuffed, but it's fantastic. Look at that haircut. My haircut looks... I look like a mushroom. Hope Mario does not come to step on me. Okay, so from here, let's actually go check out some GitHub stuff, because I really started posting stuff on GitHub with websites I did and stuff like that. So the portfolio I have here, it's not the first one I made, but the second one, but I'm gonna show you really quickly. So here we go, 2018. The first thing I posted was a React boilerplate. That's fine. Then we have Gulp Sass here. Tab Music, this is a project I actually remade for the channel, which I'm going to show you because the code there probably looks like trash, but we're going to take a look at it. And here we go. We have the first portfolio here. Well, not the first, but the second. Let's take a look at how this looks. There we go. Quite simple. I figured out how to do animations. Look at that. We have the smooth scroll down. And we have the LinkedIn here and all the other crap that nobody cares about. And then we scroll down here. I hate how this looks like now. We have this section here that just kind of floats here. Oh, why did I not add this to a big card here? Just wrap it in the card. It kind of floats here. There's no contrast, looks like trash, and these are separated from these because I figured out how to use Flexbox. So I thought it was really cool. I'm like, ooh, look at that. Justify content space between. Fantastic. And then we have this guy that I just copy pasted off Google. So anyways, after that we have the three projects that I just made. So we have Tab Music, Swirl, and Weather App. All the basic bitch projects that you're gonna find in a junior developer portfolio. And these are terrible, so let's take a look at this one. Oh, website not found. Nice. This one, no, okay. I'm gonna go to sleep. Thankfully, I still have them here, so let's go in this and clone this sucker. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so what I did was I just added some shapes and animations with SVG when we click on these sounds. Wow. Cool, fantastic. So let's see what we did in the codes, because that's what we care about. So let's go here. I think we actually used the framework for this one. So we have a bunch of SVGs, anime.js, that's what we used, fantastic. And I think we used something else. Let's just take a look at the JavaScript. Look at here. Okay, so we are grabbing all the elements here and SVGs. And here, oh my god, look at what I did. What I did was I used Howl, which is a JavaScript, what is it called? A JavaScript music library package thingy. And I just imported all the sounds one by one with var. Oh no, look at what I did. Sound 0, add event listener, sounds 1, add event listener, sounds 2, sounds 4. Oh my goodness, no. Okay, how about we do this? We go here and we just add an audio tag. Wow, I didn't figure this out. Audio. Wow, look at that. We just have an array and it's like we can get rid of this whole code. Fantastic. Hit save. And look at that. We don't need any of these things. So let's get rid of everything. Wow, it's like we can loop over these. Sounds now for each sound. I can run a function here and I can grab each individual sound and add a click listener to them. Wow, and we can use arrow functions because we're cool. And then here what we can do is grab that audio and it's like we can change the source to the actual sound. Wow, and then we can get the audio and we can play it. Dot play. No way. Okay, so now here I'm just gonna pull in the index and the sounds here. I'm just gonna add basically the index of the one I'm clicking on. So I'm just gonna pass the index here for the sound and look at that. We just made it a 2-line code here. I don't even need the rest of this. Goodbye. Oh man, it's been a crazy year here on YouTube. For 2 years. It's been absolutely fantastic and I want to thank all of you. It's only 2 years, so we still have a long way to go. But I want to thank you for joining me here on this journey. Hopefully when I start feeling better, we can finally start experiencing. I'm gonna do like a whole journey of me learning game development and Blender and all of those stuff because I'm not an expert in any of those. So we're gonna learn together. I'm gonna make some cool videos for you guys and I hope you're gonna love it. Let's hope I'm gonna get better soon, and I want to thank you for almost hitting the 500k mark. Fantastic. Let's go, Traversy Media. We're gonna get you. We're very close. Okay. Until next time. Thank you again so much for watching. And I need to cut my hair. If any of you know any hairstylist, drop me a message, and I will not answer you.
App, you have a lot of different moving parts, so you have to have a nice and easy, concise way of managing that big data. But for some reason, I feel like everybody tries to make this as complex as possible for no reason. Let's take a look at Redux, for example. I think they even had a meeting about this when they started making it. Hey John, I made this app here and it's a hello world in React, but I feel like, can I get more? I feel like it's too simple. What can we do with this? Well, you can change the H and make it red, like a bigger font size red to make it pop. John, if you don't wear pants to the meeting again, you're gonna be fired, okay? But this job is not paying enough for me to wear pants. We could do like a state management thing. So you can build a big app and you can store like every data easily, and you can have access to it easily. You know, like boom, boom, you grab put, like bim bam. You know, like how they do on YouTube. You upload and boom, you put it. All right, that sounds quite good. All right, how can we make this as simple as possible? What terms shall we use for grabbing data, putting data, and things of that sort? We can use like store for like keeping all the data, because you know, when you go shopping, we can use that terminology easily to explain it to the people. And we have action, but it actually doesn't do anything. We just name it action, but it just describes what's gonna happen. It doesn't actually do anything, it just describes it. And then you can have like an action creator that, I don't know, it creates itself. The action gets created and it doesn't do anything until you dispatch it. Because when you dispatch, that's when the action gets... All right, sounds good. Let's do it. You know, that sounds good. But what if we make like two packages? Okay, we have Redux, which is the state management, but you cannot use it with React. Okay, we just make it and you can use it like with whatever you want. And then we make another package that connects React and Redux together. Okay, that sounds really cool. Yeah, but what if we also make it so like you have to connect everything? So only the components you want to use, you have to use this connect and just wrap everything around it. You have like 10 million parentheses for like readability reasons, you know? Like you know when something is connected. You have the parentheses like everywhere. And then if you want to use something, you also have to map dispatch to props, and you can state dispatch to maps. And then you still cannot use it.